Good morning, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am working on hashtag Tag Tuesday, and I decided that I wanted to incorporate some music into my tags today. So right now I am just removing as much white space from the music sheets that I have. And then I'll go ahead and get started on making my tags. So here's the result of the tags that I created for hashtag Tag Tuesday. All of them were backed with this American Crafts paper that I had in my stash. They each include some washi tape on the edges. Each, as you saw earlier, started off with the foundation of some music sheets, some vintage music paper that I have in my stash. I used some stickers and created positive words of encouragement. Also, I finished them off by adding an eyelet and adding some Tim Holtz Distress Ink on the edges. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. And in the comment section, let me know which one of these tags you like the most. Take care.